Guys, welcome out to the shop. I'm Tim, and today we're going to be building a grinder stand. So doing all my restorations lately, I've been using my grinder a lot, and as you can see, it's buried over here in the corner of my shop. So one thing that I think can really help with utilizing that a little bit better is by using this piece of wood right, where's it at? Right here. And I'm going to go ahead and build a grinder stand that is just for the grinder. And I'm building it out of the wood for two reasons. One, because the wood is a lot cheaper. And two, when you have a wood stand, you can actually put like dowels and stuff in there to hold things that are like accessories, such as buffing wheels or other wire wheels, stuff like that. So that is the reason why I'm choosing to go with wood. I think that it's not going to be a problem with the movement of it because I'm not going to be doing any kind of real hardcore grinding or anything that I'm going to be pushing on it. I see a lot that are on like a 4-inch post mounted right to a like a brake drum, something like that, but I'm not going to do it that way. So stay tuned, let's get building. So you guys saw me cut the bevel on the top and the bottom, and that is set at 10 degrees. And the reason for that is I want the legs to be tilted inward just a little bit, not a whole bunch, because I don't want them hanging out, getting tripped over, stuff like that when I'm walking around the shop. But I want them just enough to help with the balance of just the side-to-side movement. And I'm working with 12-inch wide boards, so that should give me a pretty solid base without having to make a big square. So I'm trying to go with something that will actually, as it's going up, everything's kind of tilted in towards the bench grinder. So my top, I'm going to end up centering it up, and I want the top to be 8 inches wide. So I'll end up cutting 2 inches off of both sides and just get a nice taper going up towards the top. Alright, so here is the grinder stand without any kind of shelf or anything. This is just along with the top and the sides. And there is the bench grinder with a shelf. So I'll be able to use that for different types of storage or whatever. And now with the actual bench grinder on it, it's not bolted down, but this is what it's going to look like. And I am very happy with how that looks. So we're going to go ahead, drill some holes. I got one hole to drill right here and one to drill right here, and then I'll be able to actually finish it because I'll finish it before I actually mount it on there. Alright guys, I want to take a second real quick just to kind of plug some of the equipment that I am wearing currently. I got these safety glasses almost 4 or 5 months ago, and these are by Pro for Show, and they are also the makers of my earmuffs. And these things are fantastic. I absolutely love them. They're scratch resistant, and they have this super thin profile right there where the little side piece is that goes and fits right underneath the earmuffs. Now if you don't get the Pro for Show earmuffs, you know, that's cool, whatever, but they actually slide right underneath. And if you ever wear earmuffs and safety glasses, you'll know after a while that it puts like a lot of pressure right on the side of your head just from the bulkiness of the little side rail. And these are very, very slim. They fit very well. Nose piece is very comfortable. And also one thing that I like about these, if you can see the profile of them, they stick out near the top. So it also helps with the foggy islands, that if you ever get working during the summertime or something and you start having the glasses fog over, this is awesome because it doesn't happen. It keeps the top of the safety glasses off your forehead a little bit. The overall frame is very, very lightweight, and I mean, these things are amazing. You guys can find these on Amazon.com. If you guys haven't bought any safety glasses because of quality before, these are top notch and I highly recommend these. They are, once again, Pro for Show. See if I can get that focus. There you go. They sent me the earmuffs a while ago, and I absolutely love them. They're super quiet. And then I asked them if they would send me a pair of these, and they did. I'm so happy with them. So there it is. It is completely finished. 3 coats of polyurethane on there, giving it that nice shine that you see right there. It was also buffed out. The legs were tapered from 11¼ inches up to about 7½, I believe. The top is the full width as at the bottom. Holds the grinder nicely. I really like this. I like that it's got the shelf for all of the other things that will accumulate eventually on there. But like I said, the reason why I wanted to do this out of wood is so that I could add accessories on the sides if I needed to. And I really like the design of this. I can add things on the inside and on the outside for like the little wire wheels, stuff like that. So this will end up becoming like just a wire wheel rust removing station probably. Eventually, if I need to be moving around a whole bunch, maybe I'll add some wheels onto it or something. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I like the taper of it. I like how it's got the wider shelf in the bottom, and I think it looks fantastic. Let me know what you guys think about it, and if you guys like it, what you guys would do different with it. Anything else, you know, one last look. There it is. If you guys did like it, please hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below. And also, if you guys are new, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Check out all my other videos, and I'll see you guys next week.